So here's the thing about risk. Sometimes we think just about risk of investing, and that is true. There is always risk. You could put your money in the bank. There's a risk with that. You could put your money in an envelope under your pillow. There's risk with that. We'll talk about those two in just a moment. But also there's putting money in the stock market. There's definite risk with that. Lots of fluctuations up and down. There's buying assets, which is what I try to do. Buying physical assets, whether that's a business or rental real estate. Every investment has risk. So a lot of people think about, oh, well, duh, buying a business has risk. Duh, putting money in the stock market has risk. But you got to get your head around this. Doing nothing has risk. Even the bank has risk. And sometimes it's the opportunity cost. So what that means, let's say you can put your money in a bank. Most bank accounts, you're probably getting like 0.1% on a savings account. Maybe you've got a high interest account and then you're getting 3, maybe 4% interest. Not much, especially with where inflation has been. That's probably lucky to keep up with inflation. And honestly, it's probably not keeping up with inflation. Now, the bank is slightly better than having it stashed somewhere in your house. There's risk with that. There are opportunities out there to get much higher return and can still have some safety because it can be backed by a physical asset. Like I said, stock market can be up and down. Sometimes it's really good, sometimes it's really bad. And there's very little control that we have over the stock market. And that's why I prefer the physical assets. But just understand, no matter what you do, there are risks. There's risk in taking action, there's risk in not taking action. So what's it going to be? Feel free to reach out and follow me on here.